Alright, what is up, guys? Back with another trade recap. So, for today was just. Today was just something else, to be honest, man. Um, I mean, this shit right here in the morning, we ended up. We saw the market maker sell model from. We had this dump this morning. Initially, we wanted to look for shorts this morning. We ended up getting a big dump with news, so that was going to need to retrace. We ended up pushing higher. Thought we were going to sweep out this buy side. We never ended up sweeping that buy side. And then right here, we see a market maker sell model. So let's mark that out. So yeah, market maker sell model right here. Fix my parabola. Okay. So yeah, market maker sell model, rising up right here. This is our accumulation area before the move down. Really hard to catch anything in there. We tried a stab short. That 1 minute breaker was clean, but we didn't take that. We tried a short actually I think it was right here we tried a short because we were filling back this big bearish imbalance, tried a short, we ended up getting stopped out. So yeah, that short didn't end up playing out. We got stopped out for just a little, 360 or something. And then we see towards the end of market, we had a fucking missile crisis or today or some shit. And this was this huge move down, retracement, huge move down again. Crazy ass shit. Coming towards the end of market, it's 350 or whatever. It's late. I see low resistance liquidity building. And what do we see right here? A 1 minute breaker block. So we have a low right here. That low ends up getting swept. We end up closing above this bullish candle right here. There is our breaker block that we marked out. And simultaneously, I wanted more confidence for this because it was just a shitty ass day. We have a 2 minute inverse right here. We end up making the breaker block and closing above this 2 minute. Simultaneously, we enter. Trade plays out, as you can see. What was I gonna say? You could have entered. We also had an SMT down here too. That's the thing. SMT super clean right there. Super clean. And you could have entered off this, honestly. This little 1 minute inverse. If you were it's not honestly my favorite. I'd wait for the breaker block to form because we could have just inversed this 1 minute, came up, and then just dumped. I'd want to wait for this breaker block to form because we had so much low resistance liquidity building right here. No one knows if we're actually going to get the breaker block right here. We end up getting the breaker block. So that was beautiful. And I entered right when we inverse the 2 minute. I inverse. Normally with breaker blocks or whatever, you could do this. I'll get rid of the 2 minute inverse, but you could enter off this fair value gap. Just put your entry, I guess, right there at the top. A little bit better RR, not that much different. Sometimes it is though, but sometimes you also won't get that fair value gap entry. And so what do we target? We target this set of equal highs. We targeted. So equal highs right there. And that was where we fully got out actually when we hit those equal highs. And our first TP was just this high. Now, yeah, this could go up, but I kind of just wanted to take our profits where we could. This high was definitely a prominent high to take a TP1 at and move our stops break even. 1.5 RR, solid. So yeah, you could have let this ran to right here, but as we can see here, it doesn't even look like it's going to do that. So I'm happy with where we took out our profits at. Not going to be mad about it at all. And if I would have went in for 3 cons, I would have had my other one up here, but I only went in for 2, and I honestly should have just went in for 1. I went in for 1 this morning, and we lost. No, I actually went in for 2. I added on to my position. We just got fucked. 2 candlesticks, we got stopped out. So we lost 370. But then this trade, as we can see here, we we made like 1,000, because we were already down like 350, and then now our total P&L is 680, so we're up on it. 50K account, you have to deal with trailing drawdown too, which is like 2 grand, so you don't want to make so much profit. You want to slowly build it up. So honestly, very solid trade though. I'm happy with my execution on it. So that's about all to be said, guys. Trade was taken on Wednesday the 6th. If you take any trades tomorrow, you guys will see a video about that. But until next time, guys, I'll see you.